Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Just kind of like some quick thoughts as we had a real big week of retail earnings. And I will say, for many of them, if not most, the numbers were excellent. A lot of big beats for the quarter, a lot of big raises for the year, or even for like next quarter. Significant names like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Target. You had Kohl's, Macy's, TJX, and while you know, for the most part, the numbers were very strong. The stocks themselves didn't have particularly great reactions. There were, obviously exceptions. There always are, but there have been some more sell the news and some like less strong reactions than you anticipate based off what the actual numbers were, right? And to me, it kind of is not too unusual. I mean, we've seen it in a lot of different areas this earnings season, but what's kind of interesting is that like retail, I feel like more than some other areas may be getting more of like a benefit from like the stimulus, or may have gotten more benefit from the stimulus. And I think there's been a little bit more questions as is this as good as it gets in the near term? And um, you know, all questions that remain to be seen. But what's interesting is that the XRT is actually at the moment showing some of its like weakest action in months, right? So you can see, having like just drawn the chart up here, it's stalled a few times around 95, 96, and now it's actually, after the last couple of days, like heavy action, it's below the 50-day, and this would be like the first time it would close below the 50-day comfortably, right? Going all the way back to November of last year. So I mean, right before the election. So this is definitely starting to look a little bit more weak, starting to show a little bit more exhaustion, losing some bigger levels. I mean, it could easily reset above the 50-day, right? But you can already see that it's below what had been like really great trend support, which was at the 8 EMA, which is the green line, and the pink line, which is the 20 simple. So already it's showing some near-term signs of exhaustion, and if it can't bounce soon, could be the start of a little bit deeper of a pullback. All right. So in terms of like swing trades and options, this is something that I'd be, keeping an eye on, especially if you have some like bullish exposure. Is like what does the ETF, or in so this case is the XRT. So what does the sector do from here, right? Like, how does it digest the news? And if you really start to see these things struggle to stabilize and recover, then there might be more like near-term downside, right? So just something to kind of monitor, especially if you have like a bunch of like retail longs or short-term options. Like, this is something I'm seeing developing right now. So something that was on the top of my mind. I mean, especially today. I mean, with like all of, like the news, and then like yesterday with a bunch of the retail reports. So I've been eyeing it. Figured I'd do a video. Want to put it out there for you. So um, take a look. Let me know what you think. And it's just something to keep an eye on. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information on swing trading with options or trading earnings with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Hope you have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.